Welcome to this grounding meditation at Soulful and Centered. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position, either in a chair with your feet flat on the ground or on the floor, cross-legged. Rest your hands gently on your lap, and when you're ready, softly close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Again, take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and then slowly release it. Allow yourself to settle into this space. There's no rush, no place you need to be except right here, in this moment. Now, gently bring your awareness to the soles of your feet. Feel the connection between your feet and the ground beneath you. Notice the stability and support of the earth holding you. With each breath, imagine roots gently growing from the soles of your feet, slowly reaching down into the earth. These roots are strong, steady, and secure, extending deeper with every breath you take. As your roots deepen into the ground, feel the strength and stability the earth provides you. You are anchored, safe, and supported by the solid ground beneath you. Now begin to imagine that the energy from the earth is flowing up through your roots. This grounding energy moves gently up into your feet, into your legs, and continues to rise until it reaches your core. Feel this energy filling you with a sense of stability, calm, and strength. You are connected to the earth, and it offers you a sense of peace. As you sit here, allow yourself to breathe in this grounding energy. And as you exhale, release any tension or worry you might be holding on to. Feel it gently melt away, sinking down into the earth, where it can be transformed. With each breath, feel more present, feel more connected. You are steady, you are grounded, you are safe. Allow your awareness to expand slightly, noticing the rest of your body. Feel the weight of your body being held by the ground, fully supported. Feel your spine tall and aligned, your shoulders relaxed. Let the connection with the earth beneath you bring a sense of calm to your entire being. As you continue to breathe, let go of any distractions, thoughts, or concerns that may have been on your mind. Trust that for these next few moments, you are exactly where you need to be. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow yourself to release anything that no longer serves you. Feel the steadiness beneath you, reminding you that you are supported in all that you do. Take a moment to silently repeat these affirmations in your mind. I am grounded. I am supported. I am safe. I trust in the earth beneath me to provide stability and strength. I release what I cannot control and find peace in the present moment. Allow these affirmations to sink in. Take a few more slow, deep breaths, inhaling the strength and support of the earth, and exhaling any last bits of tension or stress. When you're ready, gently begin to bring your awareness back to the present space. Feel your fingers, your toes, and the sensation of your body where it touches the ground or chair. Take one final deep breath in and let it go slowly. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes, bringing with you this sense of calm, grounded energy into the rest of your day. Thank you for taking this moment to ground yourself. You are supported. You are steady. You are safe.